Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to fix the fans if it's running really slow. Like for example, you go and click up. There you go. That's number one, number two, and number three. So that's the fastest it can go. There you go. Yeah, I take the cover off, so that's why you see the bolt. Yeah, so that's the fastest the fan can spin. So I bought a capacitor to replace and see if that's gonna work. Okay, let me go ahead and remove the capacitor and replace it, and I'll come back. Okay, it should be 3 screws that you have to remove from the top. You have to remove those 3 screws so you can take it down, and the capacitor is gonna hide inside of this. So I'm gonna remove the screw and then we'll come back. Alright, after you remove the 3 screws around both the ceiling fans, this is what you see inside of here. So what you do is you can disconnect this cable right here. You can disconnect this and then you can bring it down. And then you can swap your capacitor out. Let me go ahead and remove mine. Alright, this is how it look. Remove the bottom part. So this is the capacitor right here. So it's 2 in here. So I bought the one with the white and red connection. So I'm gonna replace that one. This one have more wire, so I'm gonna try this one first. If this one not working, then I'll order this one right here. But I'm gonna replace the red and white one first. All right, I'm gonna replace it and I'll come back. Okay, this is the capacitor that I found from the fans. So I went and bought this one, which is also the same one, similar one. See, CBB61, that also CBB61, and it's 4.5, I'll call it UF, plus minus 5%. So it's the same capacitor. So I'm gonna swap it out and we will try it out. Alright, after swapping out the capacitor, I'm gonna try to turn it back on and see how it goes. Wow, look at that. So that's the problem. So the capacitor was bad, so after swap out the new capacitor, the fan spin really fast, and that's what it should be. Alright, so if anyone have the fans that moving really slow, that because the capacitor is bad. So this video might help you save money and not buy the new fans. Alright, see you later.